Alright, so in this video we're going to install ROS on the user computer, the user PC. So once we're signed in here, the first time that we sign in, we're going to have this, we're just going to click skip, and just basically skip all of this. And done. And then if your computer is not already connected to Wi-Fi, which you should have been doing in the install setup, but if you didn't, you can click up on the top right over here, and over here it'll say Wi-Fi not connected, and you'll click there and then press select network and just join the FAU network and then press connect. Okay, so now we need to install some updates and then install the packages. So we can open the terminal by pressing Control, Alt, and T at the same time, and we'll get this. And we're going to first run sudo apt update, and then you're going to enter your password that you set earlier. Okay, once that is done, we're going to run sudo apt install software properties common. And then we're going to run sudo add apt repository universe. And we're going to press enter. And then we're going to run, we need to add the ROS2 GPG key, so we're going to run sudo apt update ampersand sudo apt install curl-y. Okay, now the next two commands, we want to make sure that you run the right command. When I did the first time, I messed up and it was a bit annoying. So on Canvas there should be a file, and you're gonna copy it to a flash drive. You can use the flash drive that you were given or another one. If you use the one that was given, since we just installed Ubuntu, you're gonna have to follow the video or tutorial for formatting the USB drive. So we're gonna plug in the flash drive. We're going to open it up. There's going to be a file since we just copied it there. And the first one is this command. So we're going to copy it and then right click and paste, and then press enter. Okay. And we're going to run this command to add the repository to the source list. And then we're going to run sudo apt update. We can close this out for now. And then sudo apt upgrade -y. And this will take a bit of time to do, so just wait a few moments. Right, once that's done, we're going to reboot the computer, and we can do that with sudo reboot. Okay, we're just going to sign back in. Okay, we're going to open a new terminal again with Control-Alt-T, and then we're going to run the command sudo apt install ros-humble-desktop-y. Enter your password. This will take quite some time to complete, so I'm going to pause the video and we'll resume it when this finishes. Alright, now that that's finished, we're going to install the ROS compiler and some other tools with sudo apt install ros-dev-tools. I'm going to press yes and enter. And then we are going to set up the environment, source/opt/ros/humble/setup-dot-dash. So you will have to run this command every time you want to interact with ROS2. However, you can, in a later video, we're going to go over making it so you don't have to do that, but in the meantime you will. And then we're going to do a bit of an example to make sure that the setup works properly. So we're going to open up two terminals. So we're going to press Control-Alt-T to open up the second one. We'll move this one over here. In the first one, we're going to type in ROS2 run demo nodes cpp talker. And then in the second one, we're going to run the source command again. And then we're going to run ROS2 run demo nodes py listener. And there we go, so you know that this works. Okay, so we can press Control-C to cancel it, and we'll exit out of that, and then over here we can press Control-C. And now we're going to install the Turtlebot for desktop with sudo apt install ros-humble turtlebot for desktop. I'm going to press yes and enter. And that is it for this video.